The Digi IX40 router is part of Digi's industrial line of products. Check out our unboxing video for more details about it. If you've already watched it, you know it does not include any accessories. For those who need a simple yet effective indoor solution for your cellular connections and AC power requirements, the starter kit is all you need. It includes an 18-volt AC power adapter along with multiple outlet attachments. In order to attach one, just position it on the adapter and then rotate slightly clockwise to lock it into place. We'll set that aside for now and attach the 4 cellular paddle antennas. These have a SMA connector and will bend at a 90-degree angle. We're going to screw them directly onto the ports on the back side of the IX40. Note that there are 4 ports labeled WAND and a 5th labeled GNSS. These connectors are all the same type, so make sure not to mix them up. Simply screw each antenna on after another until you're finished. At this point, we'll remove the terminal block on the IX40 and attach our AC adapter. Get yourself a flathead screwdriver and loosen the screws on either side of the 2-port terminal block. Then grab it firmly between your forefinger and thumb and slide it out. Next, replace this with the block on the end of your AC adapter and secure it into place. You'll need to ensure the screws are lined up with the holes, or you'll have a hard time securing it like we did initially. Once that's done, you're ready to insert your cellular SIM card and power up your IX40. Thank you for watching, and remember to hit the subscribe button if you're interested in more videos like this.